Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video I'm going to show you some amazing indicator. Only two indicator I will show you, and you will see the magic of this indicator because these indicators are awesome, and you will get the zero fake signal in the whole study. Like here I am using only 1 minute time frame. Okay, you can use it in 5 minute time frame, 15 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, whatever time frame you want to use, you can use it. Okay, let's start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel. Okay, first we have need to add the indicator. Just go to the I have need to open my Pine scripts, and here you find the simple TMA2, and this is updated version. Control A, Control C. And the people who do not have my this indicator can contact me. I will give them free update. Okay, because in the previous indicator I update, I actually update this indicator. So the people who bought, around 700 people are using my scripts. So you can contact me, you will get free update. Okay, I will not uh, I will give you the free update. Okay, because just like I promise, I when I update my indicator, I will give you free. Okay, just click on Pioneer Data, and here you have to paste your indicator code. Control A, Control V, and then add to chart. Click on add to chart, copy the code, then click on Pine Editor, paste the code, and then click on add to chart, and then that's okay. Now here you have need to change some setting, like you have need to put 48, and you can get my all indicators. There are a lot of indicators, and you will get my all indicators just in few dollars. You can get my all indicator. Okay, not hundreds of dollars, just in few dollars you can get my all scripts. Okay, and you will get consistent and daily profit. Okay, now you can see this indicator look like, but for the BTC this indicator is mind blowing. You can say it's awesome. Okay, you can see there are some sell signal and buy signal, and one more thing here, there are some signal with a cross. With the cross, that means you do not need to go for the sell trade. Okay, when you got only buy signal, if there is, you have question that the signals come late, so let me show you a demo. Okay, not okay, I can show you in bank nifty. Bank nifty, show you the results in bank nifty. Okay, no, there is because time is 7:30, so market is off now. But you can see you got the buy signal here, and you can see you got you are now in a good profit now. You get some sell signal, and all the three signals gave you some awesome profit here. Okay, and buy signal, and you can get the profit here. Okay, and the sell signal, you can get the profit at this point. Okay, hopefully you got the buy signal, but the market goes down and you got another two buy signal, and all the three signals give you the profit here. Okay, and let's see some signals more. Here you can see. Okay, you will get, you can see the cross, that mean you do not need to go for the, this indicator is special. It will work on all the pair, but this indicator are especially I design it for bank nifty and BTC, and some stock it will work. Okay, you will get the cross signal, because the cross signal mean do not go for the buy trade or sell trade. Okay, the buy signal with the cross, do not go for the buy trade. When the sell signal with the cross, that mean do not go for the sell trade. Okay, like this one, do not go for the sell trade. Like here you got the only single sell signal, you can go for the sell trade, but there are a lot of sell signals. Okay, so if you are questioning me that there are lots of signals, so you my answer is, I have the most important thing is, I am too weak English, but I am trying my best to explain all the strategy in English, because my audience are mostly from India, UK, Australia, Canada, Australia, and Saudi. So and they do not understand the Urdu or Hindi. So that's why I'm trying to make videos in English so everyone can understand. Yes, I know I am too weak in English, but I'm trying my best to explain the all study. Here you can see there are a lot of signals here. Okay, so you can catch this signal, you can catch this signal, this signal, this signal. Okay, any one signal you can catch it and just hold it, and then you can book the profit here. Okay, do not wait for the sell signal. Okay, for another signal, just okay, you have to exit your trade. Okay, the question is I have to show you a live demo. Either the signals are come on time or late or delay, whatever. Okay, so I have to show you. Okay, in the 1 minute time frame, I do not have any signal. Hopefully we will get the signal here. Just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Hopefully we will get the signal. Okay, it's not. Okay, we can check the 3 minute time frame. Maybe we will get the signal here. Yes, in the time frame, yes, you got the signal here, buy signal here. Okay, you can check it. Okay, in the 5 minute time frame, let's see the results. In the 5 minute time frame, you got the signal. No, you did not get the signal. Actually, you do not, and the indicator stop. You do not go for the sell trade. Okay, you can see, do not go for the sell trade. You can make that mean markets will go upside. So the cross mean do not go for the sell trade. So in the 1 minute time frame or 3 minute time frame, there is something interesting here. You can see there is some buy signals. Okay, they also stop you. Do not go for the sell trade, but you the buy signal is giving you permission. You can go for the buy trade. Okay, and you can go for the buy trade like 58,242, and the market is 48,660. Okay, and in the 1 minute time frame, you can see you got some buy signals, and you can book the profit like here. Okay, so this indicators come on time, it's do not late. Okay, in the 15-minute time frame, let's see the results. In the 15-minute time frame, they stop you, do not go for the sell trade. Okay, so for the BTC, bank nifty, and forex pairs, it will work for not forex, for stock. Okay, let's see the results in forex. Okay, euro USD, let's see the results in for euro USD. Okay, in the for and there are you will not in the forex pairs, you will not get the cross signals here. Okay, you can see you will not get cross signals. Okay, but there are some fake signal as well, because the sell signal, market goes upside, two goes two upside, and then at the end you got the some profit, but the point is the you are getting some loss here. So let me show some other buy signal. So it's I also give you profit. There are some fake signal as well. Buy signal, all the buy signal give you profit. Okay, and this one sell signal, market goes upside, you got again sell, but at then you got the profit. But the this indicator in BTC or bank nifty, you can see that they will send you the cross signal. So the cross signal, that mean do not go for the sell trade. So there you can see they got you got the buy signal. Okay, and you got the sell signal here. Okay, so this buy signal give you some a very small loss, but the point is market goes two side, but this buy signal give you some awesome profit. So the point is, let's add some one more indicator, and I will show you the results, and how you can get the exact profitable signals. Like go to the my indicator, and I have need to add one more indicator, adopt trend, control A, control C, and then go to your pine editor, and here you have to paste your code, control A, control V, and then click here, and then here you will find the option add to chart, and click on it, and then you will see the indicator will be look like this one. Okay, come on. Okay, you can see. Now I have need to add some setting. You have need to select T3, and then here you have need to select 73, and color change if you want, that's okay. If you do not want, that also okay. Okay, now done. The point is, when you got the signal inside the like here, when you got the sell signal and the candle come it must be inside the adopt trend. This is actually adopt trend line, okay, and the sell signal candle must be inside the, okay, must be inside the this is adopt trend line and candle must be inside, okay, or you can say the candle must be below from the adopt trend line, okay, and you got the sell signal, so this is your valid sell trade and you got the profit. Okay, now wait for the candles to come inside the adopt trend line. You can see the candle come inside but you did not get the buy signal. Okay, now this is the valid buy signal and you got some amazing profit. Okay, you can go for the sell trade from this point, you can book your profit. Okay, but I will recommend these positions, like here you can see this is your exactly buy positions and you can see you got some amazing profit. This is exactly buy sell position and you will get the profit. This is exactly buy position and you can book the profit here. This is your exactly sell trade and you will book the profit here. Okay, and this is your sell trade and you can book your profit. This is your buy trade and you got the profit, and this is your buy trade and you can book your profit here. This is your sell trade and you got the profit. This is your buy trade and got the profit. Okay, the point is this is the recent profit. You can see this is amazing. Okay, if you follow the rules you will get consistent profit. Okay, like here you can go for the sell trade, but I will recommend candle must be inside and you got the sell signal. Okay, yeah, you getting the sell signal but the candles are outside from the adopt trend line. Okay, so hopefully you understand now, and let's see the some live demo here. And maybe yes, you got the buy signal here. You can see this is actually a valid buy signal and now you are profitable. Okay, this is your valid buy signal and you can see you are in profit. Okay, this is your valid sell trade. Okay, and you can see you got some amazing profit. This is valid sell trade and you got the profit. Okay, this is the valid sell trade and profit. Okay, I have need to show you one more magic indicator, one more magic. This is, you can see this indicator do not come signal do not come late. Okay, it's come on time. Okay, so that is the purpose that I have need to show you that and the candles signals are not coming late. Okay, AUD USD. Okay, no signal here, but this signal give you awesome profit. Okay, this sell signals giving you awesome profit. Okay, and this buy signal give you some profit here. This buy signal give you actually some good profit here. Okay, and this sell signal give you profit. This buy signal give you profit here. This sell signal give you profit here. Okay, and this sell signal give you profit here. Okay, this buy signals are amazing one. Okay, this sell signal give you almost some profit. Okay, you can see I have need to just like I said, I am have need to show you one more magic for the MT4 lover. For the MT4 lover, I have this strategy. For the 15-minute, it's work awesome, awesome, and awesome. You have need to be considered it that this line is blue. That's mean you have buy trend. You can go for the buy trade, 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 and you have need to exit your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 trade. You have need to book your profit here. Okay, like here you can see, let me explain this one. You got sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, but I will recommend if the candle is touching to the upper band line and you are getting the sell signal, and then you can go for the sell trade and you can see you got 1 2 3 4 5 trade and all the 5 trades are profitable. Okay, you got two signal and profitable. Okay, you got some very small profit. The point is you are getting some profit. Okay, do not go for the buy trade. Okay, like here you can see you got all the buy trade profitable and this buy trades and profitable. Okay, and let's see some other results. This buy trade profitable, this buy trade profitable, and this buy trade give you some awesome profit, and this buy trades are giving you some awesome profit. Okay, all the time you are getting some profit. Like here you got sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, and you can book your profit here. A very small profit is actually not a big profit. Okay, and this buy signals are giving you some awesome profit. Okay, like this one. Okay, if you follow all the signal here 19 April, let's see, from to 2nd April, we have the 2nd April start from 2nd May, sorry, 2nd May start from this point, okay. And from the 2nd May you got 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. You got 7 signal, okay. First, second, third, just profitable signal, but this signal is not profitable. This 3 signals giving you some awesome profit, okay. So the 2nd May you are getting amazing profit, okay. From the 1st May start from this point, okay. From the 1st May you got 1, 2nd, 3rd signal, 4th one and 5th one, okay. 6th one, 7th, 8th and 9, and no, yes, from this point only 7 signal, and all the 7 signals are profitable, okay. And then 30 April, uh, you can see you got 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 6th, yes, at the end here, okay. So the 6 signal and 5 signal are profitable, but this buy signals are not profitable. um, just like I told you, if you follow all the signals, okay, then you will get, at the end of the day you will get some awesome profit, okay. Hopefully you will like my indicator, and you will like my videos, and any question anything you can ask me. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, you can contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, then write one at the end, because there are some fake Telegram channel, and do not join them, okay. And do not join fake Telegram channel, otherwise you will lose your money. And my indicators are paid, but you can get my all indicators just in few dollars. You can get my all script, okay. And this is simple@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any query, any question, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.